to all. Today we are discuss here droop settings. The drop in voltage and RPM from no load to full load is called droop. Two types of droops in respect of RPM. It's a governor droop. In respect of voltage, it is a AVR droop. Governor droop is to maintain the kilowatt during paralleling. First of all, here two generator 1 and generator 2. First generator setting is 2.3% and second generator setting droop setting is 2.3%. That means equally droop, equally load. It's simple. In no load condition, RPM is max like to 720. So as load increase slightly, slightly decrease in frequency starts. So in case it's the first case normal condition, at the second case droop setting is 2.3% normally of one generator, and number 2 generator droop setting is 4 to 6%. That means generator 2 droop setting is more than generator 1. So in case what happen, the generator which has less droop setting will share more load. If RPM normal is 720, a droop is 2 to 3%, its bandwidth will between 705 to 735 or 40. If the RPM is 720 and a droop is 4 to 6%, the bandwidth of the RPM will be 680 to 76. That means from both two characteristics we are understanding that. So more droop setting means governor will take more time to maintain set RPM equal RPM when load sharing. It will become slow, will respond slow or act later, so it will take less load. In governor droop setting we are balancing kilo. So it is a governor setting. It's not important for the ETUs. Most important of AVR droop for the ETUs. So we are discuss here AVR droop. So in AVR droop what happen, sometimes of current is unbalanced when two generators are running and currents are unequal. So mostly problems like come on board this type of problem. So today we are discuss about this video AVR droop. In first of we understanding that what is AVR droop. In AVR droop we are balancing kVA, kilovolt amps reactive power. So when both generators showing difference in ammeter, then we are adjust droop setting of AVR for more excitation, for more magnetic field is generated. Then uh, you know alternator working principle according to. So here same is shown two generator 1, generator 2. So if AVR droop setting of the both generators same, so they will share equal load, yani they will same equal current. If AVR droop setting less droop setting, will have more losses comes. Losses will increase, so power factor will decrease. Power factor will decrease, so current will disturbance. When this type of unequal current problem comes on board, so nothing worry about it. First generator take on individually started and no load condition. First adjust no load terminal voltage and make them equal. Okay, if it is not equal and if it is necessary, adjust the voltage droop setting in AVR and if nothing